So let's talk about how we can automate tasks, because we are creating multiple packages inside this, and each package can have their own npm scripts. Let's say here we have a test script. This utils also have its own test script. So what is the way to run both the tests together? Because we will have multiple projects and we want to have a common task like build, test, lint, prettier, all these tasks which we can run across all the different packages together. So let's execute one script. So this is a test script. Okay. I will do npx Lerna run test. It will execute the test script in both the packages. And you see this message here. This is a little bit confusing, but what happens is earlier Lerna was independent, but now Lerna is owned by NX. So you will see all these tasks which we are running. All these will have this label Lerna powered by NX. Successfully run the target test command in two projects. Let's say if I try to run build command, which is not there, then you will see an error that there is no script available at the target, that no package found with the lifecycle script build. So what are the different commands which we have used with the Lerna? npx Lerna init, it actually creates the basic setup with the Lerna JSON and packages directory. When you do the Lerna, npm install is same as the Lerna bootstrap. Earlier we used to do npx Lerna bootstrap, but with the Lerna 7 plus, you just need to use npm install, yarn install, pnpm install, that initialize your workspace and install all the dependencies, including it also link the dependencies. npx Lerna run command. This is command is you which we have just already tried. This command which actually used to run the test across all the packages. So when you want to run a particular command across all the packages, then you can use it. Otherwise, you can also specify the scope, that npx Lerna run build, but the scope is this particular project. So if you want to run the test only in a particular project, then we can do that. npx Lerna run test, and here you can specify the scope, and inside a scope you can specify, okay, it's I think Monorepo. We can also check the name. I think it's Monorepo utils. So we are actually running test only in that particular specified package. Okay, so it's like running a package by applying filter. Adding a new package, we can just use this Lerna create. Let's do this. Lerna create, npx Lerna create, package name. Assets. Okay, it will just package name is yes. So you can see we got a new package assets. It has tests, it has its own package JSON file. All those things have been created, and this is created inside a packages. So this is part of the our workspace, right? So what other commands? Add dependencies to the package. This is also one thing which we can do, this like adding a specific package to a particular library. Okay, so this we can do this. So let's say Monorepo API. I want to add only Lodash to a one particular library. So this, for this we can use this particular command. I think this is not there now. So instead of doing this, we can just go to that folder and we can do that Lerna cd packages. Let's say if I want to add a Lodash in the API folder, and I can simply do npm install Lodash. That's it. And if you want to add some package globally, so let's see that command. We can just do, let me just see if this is there. npx Lerna add. If you want to add to all the packages, I think we can just simply do the shortcut npm install w flag. So it will install this Lodash package to all the packages. Sorry. So there are few commands which has been removed. Let's say if I try to add this workspace, right? Now anything which was saying npx Lerna add, that is now deprecated after v7. If you try to hit this, you need to manually add the dependencies if you want to add. So similarly, npx Lerna list, it will give you all the list of packages which are there. So there are 2 packages. And if you want to check that your project is using the workspace or not, so for that I was using this command. So instead of add command, what is the other options we have? We have this command npm install Lodash workspace, like, okay, add this particular package in this particular workspace only inside API. Similarly, if you want to say utils, then it will add this Lodash package in this particular package only. So this is the node npm package being added inside this workspace package only. Other important command, which is to check if the workspace is detected or not, npm ls workspace, and you can see this is a workspace where there are 2 packages, Monorepo API and Monorepo utils. So sometimes to check if this really workspace or not, right? So these are some of the basic Lerna commands. Always make sure that you are not running the old command npx Lerna add, which is now deprecated and will not work with a Lerna 8.x.